Hey everybody, Fanman Steve here once again. This is a video of my Wizard Box fan here, but why am I making a video of this fan again? This is not a demonstration. Uh, the Wizard Box fan that I just now recently restored, the motor that came out of that I installed into this one here, which of course is a Westinghouse motor, a 4.0 amp Westinghouse motor. Uh, I think that this motor's having some issues, and from the way that it's behaving, and from how it sounds, I'm just assuming so. If you had seen videos of the assembly of the last one before I restored it, you all remember of how rough the stator was looking. I did clean it. I blew it out, and I cleaned as much of the excess dirt and dust off of it as much as I possibly could. I did examine it. However, I was not able to find an open winding anywhere. The windings appeared to be very well stuck together. But I'm going to start the fan up for you, and I want you to tell me if this fan is reliable. I had plans on varnishing it, and I was going to do that throughout the restoration. But however, the fan makes a loud humming sound on both speeds as it starts up. But however, it doesn't show the typical signs of a motor that, like of a failing motor. I mean, it doesn't slow down after a while. It doesn't put out a burning smell. But I'll go ahead and I'll start up the motor for you, and I want you to tell me if this sound is normal or not. If even need be, I'll take the motor out, and I'll take it apart, and I'll show it to you, and I'll even post it on Facebook. So let me go ahead and plug this thing in, and I'm going to start it up for you. Okay, so now I have the fan plugged in here, and I'm going to start it up. I'll start it up on both speeds, and I'll let it run for maybe about a minute. Here we go. Okay, it would appear that the motor started up exactly the way that it should. It didn't start up slow. There was no sparks. There's no burning smell or anything like that. No burning copper. I'll let this come to a stop, and I'll start it up on the low speed. Okay, now I'm going to start it up on the low speed. Well, it's behaving like it should. It's not humming as it's running. If the humming sound is not as pronounced even as the fan is running, then I really don't see what could go wrong here. Now, the fan was making that sound when I got it back in January. Uh, but the reason why it's a bit more concerning to me is because it wasn't. It was more of a sudden thing. Other times when I would start it up, it wouldn't have that buzzing sound to it. But I'll start it up again to where you can hear it. Oh no, you'll cut your hands off. Okay, I'll start it up here on the high speed. Well, okay. I do not have a kilowatt meter. I do not have an amp reader on me. Well, I do have a meter reader, but unfortunately, it's not working as of now. But if some of you could watch the video and give me some information on this, on whether this is normal or not, chime in and let me know. Let me know if varnishing the stator would make a difference. If anyone has any information about this, just let me know. And if need be, I'll take it apart and I'll make a video of the stator. Well, give me some help on this and tell me what you know, and the comment box is open. Bye bye.